Woohoo! So today I should have a Simpsons car in here. I got it from eBay from someone in the UK. It's just a personal collection. So the Simpsons, in the event that you've been living under a rock the last 30 plus years, it's a cartoon TV show, and it's premiered in December 1989. And since then, it's never stopped. There's been over 700 episodes, and it's been renewed up for season 34. So that would be the year 2023, and over 750 episodes, I guess, in that case. So it received most of its acclaim in the early 1990s, which is when I primarily watched it. You know, I used to watch it before going out drinking and stuff like that. So this car here, according to some wiki fandom research, this is called a Plymouth Junkarolla. It's Homer Simpson's car. Homer's the main character in the TV sitcom. And he drives it almost exclusively, although I think Marge, Bart, Lisa, and Maggie have driven it at one point or another. So its characteristics, there would be this damaged front fender that never gets fixed, and a couple other things. It has a driver's side airbag, which goes off in in an episode, a column shifter, a bent-up radio antenna, which obviously isn't on this, and it has a Trackstar 8-track radio. 8 tracks are an old radio system, like giant tape cassettes. And so this car is supposed to be made in Croatia out of old Soviet tanks, and that was in a different episode, I guess. So that's what I found out about the car. I just like the show, you know, so I ordered this, and I have the Homer, which is even funnier. That's in the mail somewhere, and I'll get to that review when it comes in. So looking at this, I'm sure there's plenty of other reviews on YouTube, but I'm going to do my own version anyways. So here's 2014. It's a plastic base, metal body, and obviously it's licensed. Excuse me, licensed, and let's see, the bottom's riveted. But the interior is pretty nice. I mean, it's a metallic tan or something. I don't know. I guess you could call it gold. It's kind of like that metallic plastic stuff. So it's better than black. You can see some, ribbing detail in there. So that's pretty neat. I think the crumpled thing is pretty nicely done. It's pretty nice. And this is a really cool paint job. It's like a metallic pink. So that's nice because, in the cartoon, I don't think it's easy to show off metallics, but obviously Hot Wheels knows a thing or two about metallic paints. So it's got these wheels, so I'm guessing these are just standard Hot Wheels. And I think they're just flat surfaces on the cartoon car, but the body panels are actually not so bad as far as the width here of the gaps. I've seen a lot worse. I did the Knight Rider cars, and that looked like to have really bad panel gaps. Although this is actually, I think, an older car than those Knight Rider ones. I might be mistaken. Anyways, yeah, we got some painted on headlights, the grille as well. No license plate, but I don't think there's a license plate number on most of the Simpsons episodes either, so that's kind of accurate. These blobby kind of mirrors, and no silver paint, of course. But the back looks very Cadillac-ish, and sadly, the red paint is totally off the mark. So, quality control Hot Wheels, too bad. And also this Hot Wheels logo is off the mark as well. I'm sure it should be up and higher. Basically, all of this should probably be that way, I'm guessing. So that's a darn shame. I don't know if I want to go in there with red paint or not. Maybe fix that or something, but oh well. Okay, well, we got this, chrome bumper. That's part of the belly pan, so that looks pretty nice. And then, yeah, that's about it, I guess. If I was nitpicking, this little whole area should also be silver. The paint should run all the way across here. So, but other than that, I think it's a pretty good representation. I guess, yeah, the door handles should also be silver as well. So, okay. Alright, hey, it's a casual review. It's a Hot Wheels, guys. I don't think this is an expensive model. Is this a mainline model, guys? Or is this one of those retro entertainments? I don't know. There's no packaging. So, if it's a mainline, this is awesome. Look at this. It's sure the casting's a little messed up there, but otherwise there are no gouges or scratches or paint bubbling or contaminants. So this is a pretty good paint job. Very nice indeed, actually. The gloss is pretty smooth. Look at the reflection off the roof here. It's pretty nice. So very impressed, actually. So, well, that's it. I'll just pull out Mr. Spin, and you can kind of look at the picture I found from one of the episodes. And let me start off here to save you some time. Maybe you want to pause it and decide for yourself. And it does look like the you know, cartoon car back there is a little bit longer, but Hot Wheels is forced to fit their stuff into that standard blister size, so I guess they had to squash it. They had to make a shorter length, otherwise it'd have to be a really narrow car, and then it would rattle around inside the blister as well. So they have their own limitations making these toys. They're supposed to be durable and slide down those Hot Wheels tracks that they make. So all in all, I'm okay with it, and I'm looking forward to getting the Homer mobile, the Homer Simpson mobile. I gotta give credit to Colin's Diecast 164 Customs, his channel. I was watching one of his videos, and he showed that Johnny Lightning did a bunch of these Simpsons cars, so I'm trying to track those down as well, but they're pretty pricey, so it might be a while till I get those in. Alright guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.